Hello and welcome to the Financial Room. I'm your host once again, Natasha Bridgmohan, President of the BridgGroup of Companies. Well, thank you for joining me today. I hope everybody had a great long weekend. And for those who are celebrating Easter, happy Easter to you and your family from ours. I'm going to talk to you about a really great topic. I love real estate. For those of you who are my clients and my viewers who've been following me for a while, you know the passion that I have for real estate. And this topic is simple. Which renovations add the most value to your home? So there's two types of renovations, or three types of renovations, I may say, that a homeowner can do to their home. One is the need of doing it, such as repairs or capital expenditures, replacing windows or roof because of leak or damage. Then the other one is wants, doing renovations or repairs for things that you cosmetically like and it makes you feel good, like maybe a pool or a really nice expensive driveway, or a really nice fancy wall unit in your home. So those are things, that's the second way of purpose for renovating. A third way people, our home buyers, renovate is also if they want to increase value in your home. So I'm going to talk to you about the third way. If you want to renovate your home to increase value, simple, increase value. So the first thing that you want to do is to get in contact with a qualified home appraisal company and a qualified local real estate agent, and have them come to your home and do an appraisal, which will cost you money, and a real estate agent to come in and appraise your home, which should not be costing you any money, and have them give you advice what you need to do to upgrade your home to build instant cash in the value of your home if you are ready to refinance or ready to sell to make more money. So some of the major renovations that will give you dollar for dollar or more than what you're putting in is an updated kitchen. So if you have an outdated kitchen, upgrading your kitchen to today's standard and features, as sizzler features too as well, can give you more than your dollar that you're spending in your kitchen. Bathrooms are also a good return on investment when it comes to upgrading bathrooms, such as oversized bathtubs, amazing stand-in showers, really amazing, beautiful vanities, and of course, efficient toilets and so forth. A fresh paint job also gives you a good ROI and also dollar for dollar return as well. And of course, another good thing too, as well as for upgrading, is brand new windows and roofs. If it's dated and is a need in repair. And also, believe it or not, master bedrooms are a amazing return on investment too. Oversized closet, great features in the luxury and ambiance of a master suite. So again, kitchens will give you your return on investment. Definitely focus on those areas that we talked about: bathrooms, master en-suites, and so forth. So spend your money wisely, speak to those subject matter experts, because when and if you're ready to sell, you'll be walking in with more than you invested, because you have done those added those value to your home with those renovation features. So spend your money wisely. Interest rates are really low right now. Pick up the phone. Let us help you for your retirement or for your mortgage inquiries. The Bridge Group of Companies is always here for all of your home, of all of your financial needs. Please pick up the phone and make April a great month for you. Thank you for joining us today, and take care.